What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Edit 254. Tuned in for another one. Not that. Crack that a little bit, turn that light on, turn the other lights on. So basically, let me tell you what we're finna do. So, last video, the other video, we unrevealed the bower. We're gonna continue working it. I think I was in a couple hours a day after work because the schedule is kind of crazy. I'm gonna just take a section, just that quarter for that fender, that door, that one day, that one day, that one day. Then I could turn around the back door and do that. I mean, honestly, I might be able to get more done. It might not even take a whole day for a panel, but at a minimum, a panel a day should take about 6-7 days. So yeah, a day for the hood, a couple hours, quarter panel, or I don't keep calling it a quarter panel. Fender, goddamn me, fender, door, quarter, that's 3 days. You know what I'm saying? Same on this side. Same on this side. Since we done already pretty much tackled that up there. A day right here, a day right here, a day right there. Get it all the way down. So that's gonna be the plan. Shit, day one, nigga. Let's go. Alright. But while the time, stripping her down to a birthday suit. As you can see, got this taken care of. There's some parts I gotta go back with the strip this on the angle grinder, but for the most part, coming on down, nice and good. I haven't hit too many spots. With the body filler, there's a couple spots like right there. I can feel it. There's some spots that's gonna need it, but for the most part, coming down. Tell man, a little bit a day, or a panel day. Panel a day, section a day, get her down to a birthday suit. And I mean, it really ain't even a day, man. It's just hell, an hour, maybe two. Strip it down and then go from there. So this is the end of day one. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'll go do something else, be productive, play the game, whatever. Come back tomorrow, bust down that dope, and then next day that. And then before you know it, on the other side, like I was explaining, couple hours. I would say, I mean, I won't even say that it's 2 hours per. You know what I'm saying? I won't even say it's 2 hours per. And then the thing is, a lot of this kind of already done from when I demonstrated. So shouldn't be much more. Gotta be done. We making progress. So pretty much, probably I could finish that and that hood, like I said, it's not. I kind of started going down the middle in a couple spots. Not really necessary on the hood because the hood came out for something else. It wasn't having no issues. So I will save energy, time, materials on the hood and just scuff it and shoot it. But the rest of the car is coming down to the birthday suit. So if you look at it, honestly, being the majority of this is done, I'm saying that might be a day where I spend a couple hours out here. I can go ahead and finish that. So another day there, or another couple hours. But like I said, doing a little bit each day, so it ain't overwhelming. And that's already done. And then bust down. The fronts is actually pretty. I feel like these don't have as much surface area on them, so they're gonna be a little bit less complicated. Making it happen, baby. We are at the end of this one. But I did order some off of Amazon. Show you what we're working with. Got another one, fresh boy, ready to go for the next one. So it's lit. It's lit. So yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. Knock out a little bit more. Like I said, probably start at the front, then move to the door, and that'll be it for this side. All right, we back. Another day. Just pull this off for there. Cause at first glimpse, you look at this and be like, oh man, you know that's official shit. You know what I'm talking about? Well, you take this motherfucking sticker off. Check this shit out. When they say putting lipstick on a pig, motherfucker, this is what they mean, my boy. Now, don't that motherfucker look real familiar? Maybe probably same down company, same people. This yellow just a little bit brighter. They didn't bother putting no stick over theirs either. So, whatever. Anyway, that one was done. Probably had a little bit more on that side, but you know, we'll be aight. Slide that bad boy on there, like so. Make sure you just line up your little joints. Spread that bitch on like that. You ready to watch some magic happen. All right, so we learned anything from the first time. You know what I'm saying? Try to keep the thing even. That way you get all your wear out of there. If anything, if you're gonna start leaning on the inside, lean on this side first. And then on the outside goes a little bit easier, in my opinion. You know what I mean? So let's get busy. Day 2. We're gonna knock all this shit out. I'm gonna start with the front and see what happens. If that goes smooth as fuck, then I'm probably gonna knock the dough out and be done with it, bitch. All right, so as you can see, that was already naked. Got this up here down to the birthday suits. There was a whole bunch of, this up here was real, it's a whole lot of Bondo. Body filler. So where this was not even. The bodywork tells the tale. Tells the tale. I was hoping I could find the rest of the hose for my fucking Landau trim, but it looked like they done filled them bitches up, which is some hoe shit. I'm guessing I could probably knock them back out though. But yeah, we hit a whole dust thing of Bondo there where they body worked it. I mean, they body worked it good because I had no idea that was gonna be up under there. So, like I said, the little small areas, go back and hit with the disc on the grinder. And moving forward, I feel motivated. I feel motivated to go ahead and knock this dough out. And then the only thing I got is a quarter panel on the other side, the rest of the dough and the rest of that panel. So I said we can't go ahead and get this knocked out tonight, nigga. Actually, what I might do is just go ahead and do this dough and then wrap this video up. I mean, y'all know. If I find anything crazy on the other side, I'll let y'all know. But up until this point, this has probably been like the worst panel. So, definitely gonna have to body work that back before we paint. Hopefully, we don't find nothing on this dough. All right, well, I done about hit motherfucking muscle failure. All my army peeps know what that is. I done about hit muscle failure with that motherfucker tonight. So, still that's my goddamn knees popping and shit. So, still gotta finish getting the rest of this fucking Bondo off that bitch. Y'all see that shit? It's a lot. But yeah, finish up at the very bottom. Come back and, like I said, hit the spots up here in the front. But I mean, this side is pretty much complete. So yeah, like I said, I ran into a lot of body work or Bondo and shit right here. Like I said, you can feel that motherfucker. I said, they did a good job, man. Whoever did this bitch the first time, even though they painted over this motherfucker 17 times, about 11 times, 17 times. The body work was straight. I imagine it's pretty hard to find a Tudo to find a door for it. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, I'm gonna finish stripping that bitch down. We epoxy that bitch. And we're gonna do our body work. And then, yeah. Woo! Day motherfucking 2. I said one panel at a time. I also said I was gonna just probably wrap this shit up on this side, but fuck it. Keep the party going. So, we'll be back tomorrow for fucking parts, whatever. But for y'all, it'll be right now.